His eyes with a handful of clay, then he said, "Go and wash in the pool today." And the blind man knew that's what he had to do. You know, along.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Basahin po natin mga Biblia sa Psalm chapter 90 verse 12. Teach us to number our days that we may gain a heart of wisdom. Our topic for this morning is number your days. Binibilang ba natin yung araw natin na nadaan? Kung halimbawa, bibigyan ka lang ng 10 buwan para mabuhay, anong gagawin mo? Probably, the most valuable things in life, those are the things that we have to do, right? Halimbawa, di ba, gagawa tayo ng last will para sa ating pamilya, o di kaya igugol ang buong panahon para sa ating mga iniibig sa buhay, no, ating kabiyak sa buhay. All of us will pass this world but once. Do the best you can to leave a mark to the hearts of the ones you leaves. Maaaring may mga panahon mag-iisip tayo, ano ba ang naibigay ko at naiwan ko sa mundong ito? Remember, we will just passing by in this planet. We will not stay longer here. Start to number your days and treasure every moment you have. Huwag sayangin. Kung may panahon para kausapin ang anak, kausapin. Kung may panahon para bigyan ng panahon ang asawa, ibigay natin ang pinaka-the best para sa kanila. Yesterday has gone and tomorrow is yet to come. There is only one choice left, and that is today. Live well today. Mamuhay tayo sa araw na ito ng tama. Because we have to number our days. Hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo kukunin ng Diyos, kailan tayo babalik sa Kanya. But we have to do the best that we can while we are here in this planet. Time is the most expensive commodity we have. Once lost, we cannot regain. Ang pera, pag nawala, pwede pa nating makuha uli, pwede pa nating ma-regain. But the problem is with time, hindi mo na pwedeng maiulit pa ang mga panahong nasayang na. So habang may panahon, pagawin natin ang pinakamabuti, and let's give the best that we can for the glory of God. It's not how long you live that counts, but how you live. Hindi yun sa haba na buhay, kung hindi paano ka ba namuhay. Yun po ang madalas na tanong talaga. So if we want to glorify God, give the best that we can, and always number our days na hindi tayo tatagal sa mundong ito. We have only short period of time. And I know you can excel beyond what you can comprehend. God bless po at magandang umaga.
I take is a step of faith when I can't see what's in front